Hello everyone. Welcome to the session. Uh, Now we are going to see the topic related to online shopping. So the online shopping, the familiar e-commerce uh, websites are Amazon, Snapdeal, Alibaba, Flipkart, and many more applications are there. And we'll start with the history. So history of online shopping. Before the World Wide Web was created, Michael Aldrich developed a system called Redifference Office Revolution in March 1980. It connecting sales companies, suppliers, and customers together. Companies were able to order supplies from suppliers and sell products to customers electronically utilizing video text technology. It is considered a major predecessor and influence on the development of online shopping as we know it today. In 1994, several years after the launching of the World Wide Web, online transaction systems, including banking and shopping, started emerging. The first shopping transactions were completed through a network and internet shopping network in 1994. So, beginning the online shopping boom, Amazon.com and eBay launched their websites in 1995, offering online shopping options for customers. Many of the first online shopping websites utilized Intershop Online, an online shopping software system developed in 1995 by Intershop Communications AG. The Intershop Online software allowed businesses to more easily add online shopping capabilities or e-commerce on their website with secure transactions for the customers. So these are the history where we started with the online shopping, and now we will go to the meaning. So online shopping is the activity or action of buying products or services over the internet. Right? It means going online, landing on a seller's website, selecting something and arranging for its delivery. The buyer either pays for the good or service online with a credit or debit card or upon delivery. So today we can purchase nearly anything online. In fact, retail experts say that online shopping will soon overtake traditional shopping in monetary terms. So online shopping occurs when a customer buys through a digital platform. An example of such a platform is bikeringshop.com, online bike ring store from Thailand. You don't have to live in this country to get one of the products this store sells. Global coverage is one of the major benefits of online shopping. So online shopping, the meaning itself clearly explains that. So a customer can purchase a product by landing themselves to the seller's website, and they can choose a variety of products, whatever they require, and then they can purchase the product by using their bank debit card or credit card or any other payment mode. They can get the product delivered to their home address. So the online shopping overcomes the boundary line, and there is no geographical boundary line to the customers to purchase the products. Now we will see how does the online shopping work. So above all, you will need an internet connection, a debit or credit card, and a secure password. You may also need to have an email address or mobile phone number. So most retailers will allow you to make up your password. Make sure it is a password that nobody could guess. Avoid your birth date and those of relatives. Ideally, you should include a combination of letters, numbers, and higher and lower cases. So these are the very sensitive informations because the close friends or relatives or any persons can easily guess your password if the password is very easy or with your name or the birth years. So you then scroll through the items the retailer is offering. Sometimes they will have a category list such as furniture, sports equipment, gardening, etc. Most retailers also have a search facility. This means that you can write the name of the item you seek to determine whether they have it. So most of the websites, they are having the search engine. So through the search engine directly we can type whatever the products we require. So instead of seeing all the products which is updated in the e-commerce website, so directly we can search whatever the products are required for us. Now we'll see why shopping online is better than in store. So earlier we people are visited the store to purchase the product. So even it's better to purchase the product, because whenever we don't know about the product features, and there is a person to explain about all the features about the product and the descriptions. So customers also, they can able to get the feel of touching the product, right? So they will get the real time experience by seeing the product, and they will use the product there itself, and then they can decide whether they need to purchase or not. But there are some limitation when we visit the in-store to purchase the product. So we need to spend more time, and we will not get more discount when we are purchasing the product through the in-store options. And also there is no variety of product which is will not be available in a individual stores. So only limited stocks they will have, and limited brands only it is available in the store. So now we will see the reasons why the customer they are entering into the online shopping instead of visiting the in-store options. So since the rise of large internet-based e-commerce sites, the growth of online shopping has been exponential, with a huge increase in the number of consumers choosing to buy online rather than in-store. Many traditional retailers have also followed suit, with most shops now having a dedicated e-commerce website from which consumers can make online purchases. From high street brands to charities, even brands which no longer exist on the high street are often available online, with the new services such as click and collect blossoms online. Here are some of the reasons why online shopping is better than purchasing in store. So now all the companies they are entered into the internet based e-commerce website. Even the pandemic situation also forced the companies to convert their business to e-commerce portal. So now every companies they created their own browsers and their own websites, and also the mobile applications to market their products to the customers. Now the e-commerce portal which provides the sellers to easily to convey the message, or to post their advertisements and to sell their product directly to the customers. Now there are few advantages why the customers they are going online. So first one is extra products online. Now we as a customer, we people are getting more information, more alternative products when we are searching the product through online. Here no restriction to the customers, they can visit any number of websites and they can search and they can compare all the products in a particular website. But when we visit the in-store, only limited number of products will be available, otherwise we need to go to the next showroom to see product. But through online we can check each and every product from different e-commerce websites. So it will gives you to access more products from certain brands online is especially important if you live in a small town or in an area without a large local shopping area. So not only this, but many stores offer one online exclusive item that are not available in stores. So encouraging you to purchase specialist and limited edition item of the internet. So the next advantage is online discounts and voucher codes. So although it is often rare to find an in-store voucher unless the store is hosting a special event, many retailers offer a copious amount of discounts and voucher codes to be used online as part of their marketing promotions. So many third-party websites, including the online shopping experts, offer exclusive voucher codes that can be used online rather than in-store. Additionally, websites often have more exclusive sales and discounts than in physical stores, and you may be able to find products that were not discounted in store available online for a much cheaper price. You are then able to pick these products up from your local store or get them delivered to your house. The internet is also home to many discount websites and third-party retailers who offer goods at a reduced prices, meaning that you can find the same product for a fraction of its net value. This gives consumers a much broader access and ability to find the latest deals and promotions. So the next advantage is home delivery for online orders. If you order products from physical stores or to decide to shop in store, you will have to make an extra journey to the store in question when the products comes into stock or arrives at your chosen store. One of the best elements of internet shopping, however, is that you are able to get products delivered straight to your home or your PO box. So, which is a good option for those without home addresses, such as military personnel. This makes internet shopping much more convenient as you can simply find the product that you want from any location, and with options such as same day or next day delivery available, have this delivered to your door. So most companies on the internet now even offer free delivery for addresses within the UK, or meaning that you do not have to worry about added cost to your purchase, and at the same time save on the cost of transportation to a physical location. So the next advantage is we can consider time saving. So the most convenient aspect of the internet is its time saving nature, making online shopping perfect for those individuals whose busy lifestyle prevent them from visiting the high street on a regular basis. Rather than spending hours browsing through multiple shops, you can buy products in a couple of clicks online. The process has also become faster in recent years through a number of changes, the addition of quick purchase buttons, which allow account holders to buy products with one click, automated account details so that users do not have to fill out their details every time they make an online purchase. Now, and computers' new ability to save your details into the database. So, all in all, this means that the total amount of time that you spend making an online purchase is reduced to seconds. If you need your products immediately, there is also often a host of delivery options at an extra cost. So the next advantage is 24 in 7 shopping. So always we know through the internet, we people are getting the most advantages of all the online shopping. It's 24 in 7 advantages shopping costs. Right? So an extremely advantageous factor for working adults is the ability to shop 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, where once you had to wait until the weekend or hurry after work to buy the products that you need, or you now have these products at your fingertips wherever or whenever you need them. And next one is avoid shopping centers. So if you find the choice of shopping centers disconcerting, you can now avoid shopping centers altogether with the ability to buy products online. Not only is this advantageous for individuals who may find shopping centers stressful and disorientating, such as those with mental health issues or sensory processing disorders. And next one is find what you want. Have you ever been shopping and struggled to find exactly what you want? This is now not an issue for consumers due to the easy accessibility of the internet using e-commerce stores. It is now quick and easy to browse through hundreds of products in a matter of seconds to find exactly what you need. With the addition of search functions on e-commerce stores and search engines such as Google and Bing, you can now find the products and sellers that have the product that you want in stock without having it to browse potential locations which may not have the exact item that you desire. For instance, If you are looking for a little back press, you can now type this into a search engine and get hundreds of results within seconds. And the next advantage is why we are going for online shopping. It's we are getting more information about the products. So the product descriptions on the item that you are buying also give you a more accurate depiction of the product itself than the labels in store. For instance, if you wanted to find out more about the ethics of the company in question, you could access all of this information online, an aspect which you would not ordinarily be able to find in stores. You will also be able to find online reviews on e-commerce stores or review sites that detail the quality of the product in question from a real customer's experience. This can assure you that the product is of good quality from the perspective of others. This information is something that you may not always be able to access in physical stores, relying on only site and your personal perspective to decide on the quality and sustainability of the product. So the next one is wide variety of brands. It's not only this, but there are a large number of brands online that do not or cannot offer to have physical stores. For instance, if you live in a small town, you may only have access to larger brands rather than independent companies, which may be of interest to you. It only have flagship locations in larger cities. There are also many smaller brands that exist as online only e-commerce stores, such as independent retailers and craft sellers who can provide you with unique and individual goods that you would not be able to find on the high street. By online shopping, it is possible to support smaller retailers who may struggle without the platform that the internet is able to provide. If you are considering branching away from physical stores, there is no better time to do so with a huge range of brands and products available online at your convenience. So the next one is advantages and disadvantages of online shopping. So these are the few additional points for getting more the peoples are entering into the online shopping. So convenience of online shopping, and there are six major reasons why we are entering into the online shoppings. It saves time and efforts, convenience of shopping at home, and wide variety or range of products. Then good discounts or lower prices. Then get detailed information of the product, and we can compare various models or brands. So through online only, the customers are getting more discounts and also for coupon codes to reduce their original price from the product. And here there is no pressure for the shopping, and also we are getting more save time and comparisons is available here. The customers can easily compare the product from one side to the other products. And the online shopping gives the online tracking facility, which is the best advantage to the customer. But once we make the order, immediately the customer can start to track their product where it is and when the product will be delivered to the customer's address. And there are a few disadvantages. One is a delay in delivery and lack of significant discounts in online shops, and also lack of touch and feel of merchandise in online shopping, and lack of interactivity in online shopping, then lack of shopping experience, lack of close explanation in online shopping, and frauds in online shopping. So these are the reasons. Some disadvantages is there, and the payment process are. So when we are going to make a payment, we are getting more options to make the payment through the online shopping websites. We can use a debit card or credit card or UPI methods, and the payment gateway option is there. Right. So these are the advantages we are getting to online shopping. That's why the customers are there entering into the online shopping instead of visiting the in-store options. Right. Okay. Thank you.